us on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. You look at the sky, nice clear day, but the high today is only 52 degrees, low 47. If you see, it's trash day, so we got the trash can out. Already got the van loaded up and everything like that, so we about to get ready and drive to the first appointment. I think I only got 2 or 3 appointments today. Like I said, business have been kind of slow these last few weeks, so we about to go ahead and go knock out this first appointment, which is a house call. Second appointment is a house call, and then like I said, I'm not 100% sure or if I got a third appointment, but y'all already know, man. Sorry if y'all don't hear a lot of enthusiasm in my voice this morning. Just woke up not too long ago. You know, the morning still be a little groggy, moving around trying to get things done. But yes, I am highly motivated like always. So today we definitely gonna get a few things done after we done detailing like we always do, man. It's always try to be consistently doing something, man. Remember, I'm not keeping myself busy from nothing. I'm just doing what I have to do. But yesterday was a tough day emotionally, man. A lot going on. But y'all already know, man, self-care is everything. Knowing that even releasing some of those tears, they help, man, you know. But on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button today. Make it happen today, y'all. And you already know, man. Peace. YouTube, detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. I hope you're having a glorious morning so far. Yeah, like I showed y'all earlier, the sky is beautiful. See the sun shining behind the clouds. But we about to go ahead and work on this first car, which is this Volvo XC90, man. We're gonna go ahead and work on the interior first. Interior a little dirty, and like I always tell y'all, when y'all look at the exterior of these cars, the exterior is always gonna have the normal dirt and debris on them, you know, road grind, because you know it's the change of the seasons. If you look at the trees literally just getting the leaves back on it. You look at the grass is nice and green, got a nice glow, you know what I mean. But like I said, you look at the wheels, you look inside the rear wheels and stuff like that, it's pretty dirty. You see right down the bottom of the car the road grind going all down the bottom of the car, so we're gonna make sure that we clean all that thoroughly. You see the wheels, get inside the wheel well, things of that nature. So then with the interior, like I say, what I always try to tell y'all, we make sure we go in here with our all-purpose and make sure that we wipe down the doors and get stuff like this. You know, you see that the dirt and stuff. So we try to make sure that we get in here and get it clean. You see it like it's sand, dirt, and debris like that. And that's the thing with it, you know, it got all this fine dirt and grime in here with the grass, rocks, pebbles, typical debris, snacks. I think we got small kids still, you know what I mean? But if you see, got dirt all on here, dirt all inside of there, things like that. So you got it. That's why I try to tell people, man, it really take a little bit of work to get it in. And you see, like with this slip right there, if you look, it got dirt all in there. So you got to make sure that you pull it, clean it. Even with the seats, pull them up. You know, they got third row seat, and make sure you get back there, clean that. You can see right here. So it's gonna be a nice little task. Like I said, it's the first car today. This is a basic cleaning, but like I said, we just do it with a little bit more extreme interior clean. It's not any detail, no shampoo and things like that, but you still see it take a little bit of time to clean it because it's so much small dirt and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I already got the utensils out. Like I said, even with the mats, even with her having all that dirt and debris in the carpet, you look at her mats, they're pretty dirty too. So that's the best thing about these WeatherTech mats. They protect your car and things like that. Somebody actually stole mine. I don't even understand how they did that. But you see the door jambs dirty, so we're gonna make sure we get in here, clean these door jambs and things like that. But I appreciate y'all all the time, you know what I mean. Definitely come and checking out the channel and things of that nature, man. But we're gonna get over here, wipe down the entertainment system, cup holders, things of that nature, steering wheel, and then all that. But let me go ahead and start on this interior, y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do. We finally got this Volvo done, man, XC90. It took a little time to get it done. Like I said, we spent about an hour, 30, maybe 2 hours on the car, man, and make sure that the customer is super satisfied with the work. We always want to make sure the customer is a repeat. We always want these customers to call me back and things like that. But remember what the interior of the car looked like, man. Literally was dirty in here. Literally got the seats looking good. Definitely got the car smelling good. Things like that. Got this third race seating done. We actually got everything wiped down. Console, steering wheel, entertainment system, things like that. But we about to go ahead and let them know we done and head to the next stop. We still got one more car to do. And y'all already know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on. Remember, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Make sure you stay dedicated to the process of whatever you got going on, man. Remember, find that motivation within, man. Sometimes it takes a little bit more ambition and all that to get through these days, man. So I hope today is the day that you figure it out and let glory be with you. And I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this last stop of the day, I believe it is, you know, unless somebody hit me up from here to now and say they want their car done. But right now we're doing this Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. And right now it's a little dirty, but not that dirty, but dirty enough. But he probably get this car done. It's probably about my second time doing his wife's car. So about to go ahead and get it cracking, knock it out. Interior of the car really not as dirty. And the exterior of the car is fairly dirty. You know, it's the, like I said, right now you're gonna get your regular dirt off the car, you know, with your normal driving debris, especially when it rains and things like that. But like I said, we got to go ahead and work on this exterior first. No, we're gonna work on the interior. I don't know. I'll decide here and there which one I'm gonna do first in a minute. But you see the exterior pretty dirty. Wheels need a good cleaning. If you look, definitely dirt on the side of the car, dirt, grime, things like that. And then in the inside of the car, you know, good vacuuming. You see the debris, you know, typical debris, sticks, twigs, pebbles, things like that. Good wipe down on the seats, good cleaning on the entertainment system, cup holders, things like that. The same thing in the back. Get back there vacuuming. He said he weighs some pine. I guess he moved some pine around in the back, so we gotta get back there in the back, clean that too. But like I said, we already got the equipment out. So we about to just go ahead and start, knock this out. It's already 12. What time is it? Yeah, it's 12:08, so we'll probably be here about 1:30. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Y'all do what y'all gotta do. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch you in a minute, baby. Detail World YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got this Mercedes-Benz completely done. Took about an hour and a half, like always, man. But like I try to tell you, no matter how long it take you, as long as you doing whatever it takes to get the job done correctly and efficiently, because you know it's all about getting these customers to come back, you know, and use them the repeats. But we got the car looking good. Remember how dirty it was on the exterior? The wheels was definitely dirty. Definitely had a lot of dirt in the inside, but we got the interior of the car looking immaculate. We definitely gonna be in dudes with the work like always, man. But we take so much work. We take so much pride in the work we do, man. So I always try to tell y'all, when y'all take pride in what y'all doing, man, it's not considered a job. It's just you doing what you do best, man. But about to head home. I think I got one more customer. I'm gonna contact her, see if she still available. She just hit me up from Google. But y'all already know, man. Continue to be great. If this is the last one, y'all already know. One love. Love thyself, man. Because you can't love nobody without loving yourself, man. And on that note, like always, man, we just need some peace.
Cause I was on YouTube, watching TY 38.